to be reborn.
The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a flash flood warning for north-central Morgan County in south-central North Dakota, southwestern Oliver County in south-central North Dakota, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall rates of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Glen Olin, Hebron, Hanover, Judson, and Almont. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Play the new $1 million Lucky Dog Scratch-Off series from the New York Lottery for a chance to get your paws on $1 million and unleash a pack of second chance prizes.
Tuesday, May 3rd, Extreme Mini Golf is back again.
This is holy moly at its best!
But this time, there